Hey everybody, Dr. Nelson here. This is a video about just what exactly is function notation. Alright, so for the first couple of pages you're going to take notes with me, and then there'll be some problems for you to try, and then at the end you can see how you did. Alright, so what exactly is function notation? Alright, function notation is basically a way to indicate that an equation is a function. Alright, and down here is an example of an equation that's written in function notation. Alright, so we have this f and then an x equals a 3x plus 1. Okay, and up here under prior knowledge, you probably recognize these equations as being written in slope-intercept form. Okay, well basically we know that these are functions. So to write them in function notation, all we're going to do is write it as f is to x equals 2x plus 3. And then this one here, y equals negative 4x plus 1, we're going to write that as f to x equals negative 4x plus 1. Alright, so really anytime you see f of x right here, this really just means y. Alright, so anytime you see this f to x, it really just means y. So if you turn the page, let's take a look at these. Okay, it says place a check next to the equations that are written in function notation. Rewrite the remaining equations into function notation. Alright, so here we have f of x equals 5x plus 2. So this one is written in function notation. Here we have y equals 3x minus 3. So this one is not. So we're going to rewrite this as f of x equals 3x minus 3. Here we have y minus 2x equals 4. Okay, now this one is not written in function notation, so I'm going to first rewrite it in slope-intercept form. So I'm going to add 2x, so it's going to be 2x plus 4. And now I can write it in function notation, so it's going to be f to x equals 2x plus 4. Now here we have f to g equals negative 7g plus 8. Okay, it doesn't matter what variable is used here. So this one is written, okay, in function notation. Then here we have f to r equals 8r plus 1. So this one is also written in function notation. All right. Now that you have a better understanding of just what function notation is, why don't you pause the video and then try the pages, the problems on the next page. And then when you're done, hit play, and you can see how you did. All right, good luck. All right, welcome back. Let's see how you did with these practice problems here. Okay, so you had to place a check next to the equations written in function notation, all right, and then change the other ones that weren't. So let's see, the first one we know that f of x equals negative 6x minus 1. This one is written in function notation. So is f to x equals 3/4 x. That's written in function notation. And so is this one, f to k equals negative 2k plus 1. This is also written in function notation. Alright, so these other two equations are not. So let's rewrite this one as f to x equals 9x minus 4. And then this one over here at the end, there's a little bit more work. So I'm going to first take away 8x. So now it's going to be y equals negative 8x minus 5. And now we can write it in function notation. So it's going to be f to x equals negative 8x minus 5. And there it is. All right, how'd you do?